I have removed the front steering rack 1 year ago for rebuild. Then I have done the wheel alignment with the 4WS lock pin. The car is driving very straight, but my rear wheels are turning different angles and not turning left. Because I did turn the center shaft when I installed the front rack to cause the 4WS gearbox off the center. Turn the steering wheel straight. Open the 4WS gearbox. The gearbox is not in the center. Also, both sides have different lengths. That means even you can put in the lock pin, but it doesn't mean gearbox is centered.
And in the fall, when they come back.
Remove these 2 bolts and slide the joint to the shaft. Now we can turn the shaft by hand. Left or right, choose one direction and keep turning. The other person keeps watching the gearbox until it's back to the center. It is 32 turns for one center cycle. That means you should be able to find the center within 32 turns. If you see this hole and line at the bottom and both sides are equal lengths, this is the center.
2,000 years later.
We did 29 left turns to bring it back to center. That means it is only 3 turns if we choose to turn right. Now put in the lock pin to confirm. Don't forget to remove the pin and install the cap after. Adjust the shaft angle and install 2 bolts to 22 Newton meters. Do some cleaning if you want. The seal is still nice and soft to reuse. Install all bolts to 12 Newton meters. These 2 bolts is so difficult to remove and install with the small tight space. Change them all to normal bolts will makes the job easier in the future, but I forgot to do it. I hope I don't need to open it again. Now you need to take your car and lock pin to do another wheels alignment. Done. Prelude.